In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Michigan, review the Michigan requirements, visit the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs website to understand the process for updating your LLC address, obtain the correct form, download and access the Certificate of Change of Registered Office or Agent form, or file an amendment to the Article of Organization form depending on the type of address change you are having. Complete the full form. Provide your LLC's legal name, current address, new address details, and more. Make sure all the details are accurate on the form to avoid any delays. Prepare the filing fee. Check the LARA fee, or so you know how you're required to pay and when you should arrange your payment. Submit the form. File the completed form and the payment online via the LARA Corporation's online filing system or by mail or in person. Update other records. After approval, notify the IRS, the bank, licensing authorities, or anybody else you do business with. Now you know how to change your LLC's address in Michigan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.